In this video, we'll give you a tour of the lovely Dartmouth Caravan and Camping site, take you into Dartmouth, and Mark is going to show you how to get water to your van without moving once you're pitched up. So make sure you watch with us to the end. If you have any questions or comments, we would love to hear from you.
Are you a happy camper?
I am, I've been shopping.
You've been shopping? Well happy. We're all set up on the Caravan and Camping Club in Dartmouth. This is our pitch. I'll just quickly show you what you guys get when you arrive at the site. So they give you this information booklet about the site. Shows exactly where everything is. We have just been for a quick wander with the dogs and had a look round. And what I'll do is I'll put together a little video, so if you are staying on the Caravan and Camping Club site in Dartmouth, and here we are right at the entrance to Dartmouth Caravan and Camping site, aren't we?
Yep.
So give you a little look round. That's the way we come into the campsite, just off the road. So when you first come in, there's a reception site straight ahead of you, so you just stay in the vehicle and they'll come out to you. And you can tell me about this bit because I didn't go in this area.
Yeah, this is your motorhome service point. So when you turn up, they'll sort of tell you your pitch and everything at reception, and then you can come in this bit, drive in this bit and fill up with water. It doesn't take long.
All the bins are down this end. This is us now walking up through the site. Here we are.
Through on the left you've got a little room with books in it, and like a little library. It's
Let's go and have a look. We'll show you in. So there we go, we've got a bit of a dishwashing area. It looks like a library, there's pictures on the wall, but there is actually books that you can take away and do some reading. So dishwashing area. So then we've got the showers, and we've got the waste emptying part there where you can empty your toilet.
Washing machines.
This side, great little laundry room to take you in. Lots of information leaflets, we love that, don't we?
Yep, got iron board, iron. Yes, brilliant.
Washing machines.
Takes 42 minutes on a super wash. So,
Sink area.
yeah, pretty good washing machine. They are
Let's see
lovely,
if we can get a cheeky peek in here for you. Because it looks like they've got electric in there.
They've got blinds down. You can't see things. Yeah, no, they're lovely. They're set on
They're quite big. So yeah, you got your decking. Got the living plinth.
And they're all lit underneath as well.
Yeah, lights on them, electric hookups, electric going in.
There's another area through here. We won't take you through. It's the same as this one, only it's no hard standing.
Go the top way around.
Go
Right.
around.
Just quickly, there's not only is that motorhome service point, but you have got little fenced areas around the site like that where you can get water from.
Just look at your map when they give it to you, because it's got it marked out on there, and we didn't initially. We thought the only water point was literally when you drive in. If you look at your little map, it'll show you where they are. Oh, I can't look around it. I don't think he's cooking, but I'm starving.
Someone's cooking, we're hungry, we're going to have to head back. There we go.
You can see the sunset up through the trees in the evening. Through there. There's lovely views over the hills, but you can't really see them because it's quite high.
Bye.
Everybody's really friendly here. The staff can't do enough. They're really good actually, aren't they?
Brilliant, that's really helpful. Site's kept really well, isn't it?
Yeah. Even got flowers in the toilet.
Oh, tell you what we didn't show them, little herb garden.
Oh, we didn't show it. Well, anyway, it's near the toilets and it's a little herb garden, and it says please help yourself, and it's got sage, mint and things that I don't know.
All sorts of herbs you can help yourself to when you're doing your cooking. So I thought it was a great little touch, that. But
yeah.
no, they've been brilliant, haven't they? Well kept site.
And we're going to go and get Cornish pasty now because I'm starving.
Yeah. So So yeah, great site. Would you stay here again?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's so handy for the bus. Like literally,
Oh yeah.
end of the road. The bus stop is like, what, 50 yards?
Yeah.
50
Not
yards.
far.
It's a number 3 bus into Dartmouth and a number 3 bus back, and it's about a 10-minute ride. Costs you
£7 return.
£7 return for a person, but it's
No,
well
for
worth
two.
it.
Two
Oh,
adults.
for two.
Yeah, two
For
adults.
right.
Yeah.
So that's worth it. Don't take the motorhome in. It's actually not worth it. We found it, and we don't get buses at all. This is the first time we've ever got a bus.
Got the word wild on it. She just has to buy it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wandering wild, wild and free.
Soundstripe.
See many of them split screen VW. I would absolutely love one of those. Brilliant. Morning! Guess where we're going today? We like Dartmouth that much this time. We've got no doggies with us. We've decided to go back without them, haven't we?
Yeah. Gonna go and have a quick explore. Zum. Might just nip into the odd shop. Clothes. And then back again. Very hilly though.
Very hilly, beautiful harbour. So we're on our way back this time without the dog, so we can probably appreciate it a bit more.
A bit more shopping.
Yeah, shopping. Try and do some shopping for some man things instead of girly things. Wow, if you like your spirits, I reckon in here they have probably got it all. Spiced rums. No, not our Sambuca.
I love some.
You love Sambuca. We'll have a look now. Your eyes for find the sweets.
Ooh.
Lots of sweets. Your eyes have lit up, haven't they? Some historical pictures of the building back in the day. Some information on it there. It is through the years. That's a bit like the outside of our motorhome actually, on the campsite.
I love
There's
that.
dogs everywhere.
490. Quid.
£495 for a bit of wood with some penguins on it.
For a few puffins. Sorry, no.
Do you think? We think Dartmouth is called Dartmouth because of the amount of art shops, but I don't think that's quite right. But hey, check this out. You can even get a hoodie with Dartmouth on it.
There's loads of twirly ones inside.
Oh, lots of twirly things.
They look nice outside.
You know those twirly things that you really don't need?
I do like those twirly things though.
You like twirly things?
I do like twirly things. Oh, look, there's
More twirly things?
Look, it's got a hedgehog on it. Una'd love it.
Yeah, nothing left of it. Another shop, another shop.
This is my kind of shop. Dun dun dun. Candles. Even with a mask on, it smells amazing in here. Such nice candles. Help save our bees. What's that?
I don't know. Something we don't need.
How do you know?
Something we don't need.
Is that to kill flies?
The old building in the side streets, just check that out. Can't see the keystone to see how old that one is, but I would imagine another really old building. Beautiful.
The keystone will probably be on it somewhere.
Somewhere, but I can't see it. Last one was on the bottom.
1620. 1620.
Oh yeah.
1880.
Wow. Beautiful.
1620.
Back at the bus now. We had to run for the bus. We just caught the number 3 going back.
I spotted it.
Yeah, Debbie spotted it. Look at that. We're hot, we're bothered.
And we want a cider.
We're all shopped out. We should have bought more ciders.
So here we go again. This is now going to show you how to fill your motorhome with water.
It's a quick tip for you. If you're trying to fill your motorhome with water and you know where near the water point your hosepipe won't reach, get yourselves an aqua barrel, an aqua roller. This isn't the actual aqua roller or aqua barrel, whatever they call it. This is one of the cheaper ones. Definitely wouldn't recommend it. This one is one of those Aldi purchases, about 35-40 quid online. We have had the aqua roll and it is much better, but this is slightly bigger than the aqua roll one that we do have.
What was the problem with this one? It was basically...
With this one, it leaks, the seals are not very good on it, it's very thin plastic, and what you call the tyres, the rubber rings around the edge, I've just dragged it across and one of them's just completely come off, so honestly guys, just stay away from it. But I'm going to show you now how to fill your motorhome the easy way with water. Now on our last van we did actually put an electrical socket by the water outlet, so we actually installed a cigarette lighter socket. On this one we haven't done it yet, so you need to get yourselves one of these off eBay. This is a 5 meter cigarette lighter socket extension lead. So with this, I purely plug this into the cigarette lighter socket just inside the door.
Which Mark installed, didn't you?
Yep, so there we go. That now gives me portable power up to 5 meters in length. You get these cables for around about 10-15 quid, something like that. The next thing we're going to need
Is the pump.
is a submersible pump. Now you can get these again on eBay, Amazon. I think I paid around about 16-17 quid for it. Now the difference is, just depends what you get on that end. Sometimes you get the bulldog clips on it. In this case we've got the cigarette lighter socket, or you can get bare ends on it. But this is the simple way of doing it. You just put the submersible end pump into the barrel of water.
Like so. I shall show you. It goes in there. It's alright, you won't get electrocuted.
Then we get the food grade hose, the other end of it, put it straight into our water filler point. And then with the cigarette lighter end, plug it straight in. Now then, we've got about, I'll show you the flow on it. It's not the quickest. That flows around about 8 litres a minute. So we just leave that in there. Leave that plugged in. Now that gives me plenty of time to do this. The easy way to fill your water. Top tip, when you're buying a pump, try and get yourself a pump that pumps about 1 litre an hour. Give you more time for these. And you're learning, you're picking up some top tips that you can use for your motorhome. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. We've got plenty more videos and top tips to share with you. See, you're learning some things and picking up some top tips. You're watching, you're picking up some top tips, and you think, oh, what do I say now?
Carry on.
Well, I can't put that in now, can we?
Yeah. Recording.
Right.
And explain another top tip, tips and tricks of how to get your water to the van if you don't want to unplug and drive around to the water thing.
I don't know, because I'm right in the middle of it.
Yeah, not now.
No, not now. So why are you recording it for?
Because I thought I'd make a start.
You thought you'd make a start? Cut.
Cut.
Stop laughing now. We bought a fridge magnet, right? Hang on, I'll just show you. Check it out. Pretty smart fridge magnet. There's just one problem. I wanted to put it on the fridge.
Duh.
But the front of the fridge is plastic.
Which I could have
And it
told you
looks
that.
metal, but yeah, okay. Mrs. Right.
I thought you bought it for home.
No. I bought it for in here. So if you're going to buy a fridge magnet for the van, be prepared to stick it somewhere else because it doesn't stick to the front of the fridge because it's plastic. It looks metal though, doesn't it?
Thank God for command strips, that's all I can say.
What would I do without Mrs. Right?
Exactly.